Urwa says that he asked Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha, I think that there is no harm if some person does not march between Safa and Marwa. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha said, on what basis are you saying it? I said that the Quran says, translation, no doubt Safa and Marwa are among the symbols of Allah. Then whoso makes pilgrimage to this house or performs Umrah, there is no sin for that. He may go round both. Surah Baqarah, verse 158. Urwa implies the negation of sin to permissibility. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha said, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will not approve the Hajj of him who does not march between Safa and Marwa. And if it had been so as you have interpreted, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu would have said, there is no sin on anyone who does not march between Safa and Marwa. Do you know the background of this verse? It has been revealed because two idols called Asaf and Naila had been erected on the coast in pre-Islamic period of ignorance, and the helpers before embracing Islam would wear ihram for them and then go and march between Safa and Marwa and then get their head shaven. When Islam dawned, the helpers, keeping in view their march during the pre-Islamic period of ignorance, considered it odious to march between Safa and Marwa. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu whereupon revealed this verse, no doubt Safa and Marwa are among the symbols of Allah. Then whoso makes pilgrimage to this house or performs Umrah, there is no sin for him, that he may go round both. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 3068.